Are you looking for the top 5 best brad nailers for every DIYer? Are you tired of struggling with traditional tools that just don't deliver the precision and ease you need for your woodworking projects? Here are the 5 best brad nailers I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Bielmeier Cordless Staple Gun. First up is the Bielmeier Electric Staple Gun. At $27.97, this little beauty packs a punch with its 2-in-1 functionality as both a staple gun and brad nailer. If you want a versatile tool for all your upholstery or DIY needs, this is worth a serious look. What really caught my attention is how user-friendly this tool is. Weighing in at only 1.6 pounds, you can carry it around without fatigue, and it shoots up to 850 staples per charge. Imagine zipping through your projects without the hassle of cords or compressors. Plus, it comes with 1,200 staples and 400 nails right out of the box, so you can dive into your projects immediately. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The lightweight design means you can handle it for longer periods without discomfort. The quick-release loading magazine makes switching out staples a breeze, and the safety features ensure that you're protected while you work. Now, some people complained about the battery life not being long enough for larger projects. Here's the thing though, for most home DIY tasks, the 850 staples per charge is more than sufficient. If you're looking for something for heavy-duty work, this might not be your best bet, but for quick fixes and light tasks, it's fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast who enjoys small projects at home. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty solution for large-scale construction. For the price, it's an incredible value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for precision work, the Metabo HPT Brad Nailer. Product number 2, Metabo HPT Brad Nailer. Next up, we have the Metabo HPT Brad Nailer, priced at $49. This model really caught my eye because it's designed specifically for precision trim work and furniture building. If you're aiming for professional results without the pro price, this one's a must-see. With its 18-gauge brad nails ranging from 5/8 to 2 inches in length, it's perfect for all sorts of finishing applications. The selective actuation switch lets you choose between bump fire and sequential fire modes, giving you great control and efficiency. Plus, it's lightweight at just 2.2 pounds, which means you can work longer without straining your wrist. What's really great is the tool-less depth adjustment. This means you can easily set how deep you want the nails to go, ensuring a flawless finish every time. The reload indicator is also a nice touch, so you won't get caught mid-project with an empty magazine. Now, some users did mention that this nailer occasionally jams. Here's the thing though, nail jams can happen with any nailer, and the Metabo has an easy, clear nose that makes it quick to fix. For occasional users, this might be a deal breaker, but if you're working on fine trim, this is a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious DIYer looking for precision in your projects. Skip it if you're only doing occasional repairs around the house. For its price and performance, it's a solid investment. Now, if the Metabo's weight bothered you, the next option might just be the perfect fit, the DeWalt DCN 680B. Product number 3, DeWalt 20V Max Brad Nailer. Up next is the DeWalt DCN 680B 20V Max Brad Nailer, priced at $323.95. This cordless nailer stands out because it completely eliminates the hassle of gas, hoses, and compressors, which is a game changer for anyone wanting to work without limits. If you want convenience and power, this is definitely worth considering. This model is 100% battery powered, meaning you can take it anywhere without worrying about finding an outlet. The brushless motor maximizes runtime, so you can work longer without interruptions. It features a micro nose for improved accuracy, which is essential for precision work, and the tool-free depth adjustment allows you to countersink nails perfectly. What's really impressive is its tool-free jam release to quickly clear any jams, which can save you a ton of frustration mid-project. The multifunctional LED lights also provide workspace illumination, which is a nice touch for those dimly lit areas. However, some users found it a bit heavy at 6.15 pounds, especially for extended use. Here's my take. While it is heavier, the power and battery life you get in return are totally worth it. If you're doing larger projects or need to nail a lot of pieces, the weight becomes less of an issue. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious DIYer who needs a reliable cordless solution. Skip this one if you're a casual user looking for something lighter and cheaper. Given the power and features, it's a solid investment for serious work. Now, if you want a more budget-friendly option, check out the Ryobi Airstrike Brad Nailer. Product number 4, Ryobi Airstrike Brad Nailer. Now we have the Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus Airstrike Brad Nailer, priced at $116.99. This one caught my eye because it's part of Ryobi's 1 Plus system, meaning if you already own Ryobi tools, you can use the same batteries. If you're looking for something affordable without sacrificing quality, this could be your go-to. This nailer is designed for easy maneuverability and convenience. The cordless design means you can take it anywhere, and with the Airstrike technology, you get consistent nail penetration without the need for gas or compressors. It's lightweight at 5.22 pounds, so it won't weigh you down on the job. What I really like is the adjustable depth control, allowing you to set how deep you want the nails to go for a seamless finish. Plus, the onboard dry fire lockout prevents you from firing when you're out of nails, which is a lifesaver. But some users reported that the firing mechanism can be a bit inconsistent. Here's the thing, if you're only doing light duty work, occasional misfires can be overlooked. If you're doing high precision tasks, it might prove frustrating. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer who appreciates tool compatibility and easy setup. Skip this if you need something for heavy duty applications. For the price, it's a great value. All right, that brings us to our last product, the DeWalt Brad Nailer Kit. Product number 5, DeWalt Brad Nailer Kit. Finally, we have the DeWalt Brad Nailer Kit, priced at $107.09. This pneumatic nailer is a solid choice for anyone serious about woodworking. If you want reliability and performance, you might want to keep your eye on this one. With a long-life, maintenance-free motor, you won't have to worry about staining your work surface. It drives 18-gauge nails ranging from 5/8 to 2 inches in length, making it versatile enough for a range of projects. The tool-free depth of drive adjustment lets you set the nail depth easily, ensuring a perfect finish every time. One feature I appreciate is the rear exhaust, which keeps contaminants away from your work. Plus, the tool-free jam release mechanism makes clearing jams a breeze. It even comes with a carrying case, which is a nice addition for those on the go. However, a few users mentioned it can feel a bit bulky compared to cordless alternatives. But here's my perspective. If you're working on serious projects, the slight bulk is nothing compared to its performance and reliability. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious DIY enthusiast who needs a dependable tool. Skip it if you prefer the freedom of a cordless design. For the features it offers, it's well worth the investment. To wrap things up, we've looked at the Bielmeier cordless staple gun, the Metabo HPT Brad Nailer, the DeWalt 20V Max, the Ryobi Airstrike, and the DeWalt Brad Nailer Kit. Trippy. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Metabo HPT Brad Nailer because its precision and user-friendly features are perfect for detailed work. Avoid the DeWalt 20V Max if you're not ready to handle the weight. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.